In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share smooth video in Zoom from YouTube or computer. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to use so your audience sees crisp motion and hears clear audio, without choppiness or echo. First, join the Zoom meeting as you normally would. Once you're inside, look along the bottom toolbar and click Share Screen. This opens the sharing window, where Zoom displays thumbnails of everything you can share, such as open browser tabs, application windows, or your entire desktop. Before you pick what to share, turn on Share Sound. You'll find this option in the lower left corner of the share screen window. Enabling Share Sound routes your computer's audio straight into the meeting, so everyone hears the video properly instead of through your microphone. Keep an eye on your system and player volume so it's not too loud or too quiet for participants. Right next to that, check Optimize for Video Clip. This setting tells Zoom to prioritize motion and frame rate for smooth playback. It's ideal for YouTube videos or any media with movement. Just know that when Optimize for Video Clip is on, static text can look slightly softer, which is normal since Zoom is focusing on fluid motion rather than sharpness. Now select the specific thing you want to share. If your video is on YouTube, choose the browser tab that contains the YouTube page you're using. If the video is saved on your computer, select the window of your media player application. Choosing the individual tab or window helps keep the focus on the video and avoids showing unrelated items on your desktop. With Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip checked, and the correct tab or video window selected, click Share. Zoom will switch to the shared view, and you'll see a small toolbar at the top of your screen. Your audience now sees the chosen video window and hears its audio in real time. If you watch the edges of the shared content, you'll notice a colored border indicating exactly what participants can see. As you present, keep your cursor steady and avoid rapidly resizing the video window to maintain the smoothest possible experience. If you need to pause sharing later, you can use the controls in the top toolbar without leaving the meeting. That's all there is to it. Join the Zoom meeting, click Share Screen, check Share Sound, check Optimize for Video Clip, select the YouTube tab or video window, and click Share. With these settings, your video will look fluid and sound great for everyone watching.